냄새는 좋네요. 맛있다.
start healing from that grief. And then maybe someone's been experienced some type of trauma, whether big trauma or little traumas that have continued over time, but they haven't released those traumas or they haven't released that grief and it's
That's a sport.
I keep walking.
It's golden. Yeah. 아이고.
No,
이 밑에.
Please join us in 30 minutes for Water Lantern Stories.
Daddy boy. Getting your hands dirty. Yeah, look at how much almond butter we have.
Has it been an hour?
Is 425 okay?
It's really.
Should we do 350?
Pretty tough one, I guess, but it's more like, you know, take it seriously.
Well, you're dropping.
Fucking around.
Woo! Okay.
Well, my kid is, and my younger brother is just very much estranged.
Hey.
Alright, set the timer for 40.
네, 지금은 그 LA에서 그 코리아 페스티벌을 해요. 한국 페스티벌을. 그래서 거기서 친구를 만나기로 해서 지금 거기 가는 길이고요. 한 번도 여기 이사 와서 있는지도 몰랐어요. 저는 코리아 페스티벌이. 한번 경험해 보겠습니다. 가서. 아까 만든